not good at all. After 7.5 months, the day is finally here, Splash Day. We're both grateful for, but excited to be done with Flat Island Boatworks and Pensacola Shipyard. Today we splash Rising Sun and move her to Palafox Pier Marina. Looking back to October 10th, 2018, we're both amazed we still have her, proud she survived, and excited for the great times we know we're going to have in the very near future.
It's so hard to stay on top of the world when the world keeps telling you who you should be. All these people telling you what you need. Oh, darling, only you can set your spirit free. Pay attention now, I ain't gonna stop it, stop it. Honey, everything you need is in your pocket. Darling, this is what you've been waiting for. When it all comes in, don't you let it go. Honey, this is...
Today is Splash Day. From October 10 to now, which is, what's today?
May 31st.
May 31st. From the last day of hurricane season, or close to the last day of hurricane season, to the first day of hurricane season. Our boat has been in a boatyard, getting fixed from hurricane repairs.
And now we're putting it back in the water the day before hurricane season starts?
That is right, you know.
That seems a little counterintuitive.
It doesn't seem right, does it?
No.
Alright, so this is see Palafox, the road sign?
Mm-hmm.
That's the street the marina's on. You'd like to go past by the marina?
Yeah.
Alright. There's your new home.
Not too shabby?
I would say not. Alright, let's you got a parallel park.
I got a parallel park?
Yes, you got a parallel park.
I can't parallel park.
Yeah, E7. A new home.
So we need fenders on this side.
Yeah, we need fenders on that side. That's right. What I hear about this marina is they when there's any kind of named storm, they make you evacuate.
Oh, really?
They will not let you stay in the marina. Yeah.
Well, we're not planning on doing that anyway.
Oh, hell no. So here's our current state of things.
Oh, let's take a nap, sorry.
Yeah. Holly's taking a nap, sorry. Yeah, so we are within an hour, dude. It's 1:12. And we're supposed to be getting we're supposed to have the lift scheduled for 2 o'clock.
It was supposed to be 10.
It was supposed to be 10, but now it's 2. It looks like they're gonna make 2. They're just cleaning the boat now. Yeah, so that's what we're working with. It's looking really nice. After splashing, we move Rising Sun to Palafox Pier Marina. We spend the weekend aboard, and as would be expected from a boat that had been sitting for 7 months, we quickly find our first project. And of course, it's the absolute worst.
So it's the first day of us having our boat back in the water. So we're just relaxing, having some beers, watching the dolphins, enjoying the sun. Just kidding. We're fixing the toilet.
Unfortunately, that is a fact.
What's going on with it now, babe?
We have a through-hull fitting that decided to not open. Like, it broke in the closed position. I'm not looking forward to this. Not my tools! Unable to effectively repair the seized valve, we revert to using the marina facilities. Determined to avoid the boatyard at all costs, I devise a plan and prepare to resolve the issue the following weekend.
How do you like our new slip in the middle of downtown Pensacola? It's pretty cool.
Yeah, it's a pretty good spot.
It's not a bad place to live for 3 months.
Alright, so We're doing what most likely would not be recommended by most. We're going to replace a seacock without hauling the boat out of the water. Our boat does not have true seacocks. What we have are just through hull fittings, and then we have these Groco ball valves that are screwed on to the skin fitting, right? So if you look here, this is the existing valve, and that guy is seized in the closed position. It does not open, and that's a problem for us because we cannot use our head with that valve closed. We have a type 1 MSD which allows direct discharge after the sewage is treated. So it goes through a treatment and then discharges overboard, which is legal. So Electroscan Ruritan is the manufacturer. Yeah. So I purchased a brand new valve. We plugged the hole on the outside of the boat. I'm going to break this valve loose. I'll have this one completely ready to go. And I'll just take that one off, put this one on, and then finish connecting the hose. So there she is. Alright, so I've got it broken loose. Okay, look. Yeah. Okay, so our wood plug is working nicely. So now I'm just going to put this guy on. So now we can hook all this back up, and we have a damn toilet to use again.
Luxuries in life.
Luxury, alright.
Due to the extent of damage on Rising Sun and everything else going on in our personal lives, there was no way we could have afforded the time to fix her ourselves. So we found the best boat yard our insurance could afford, and this allowed us to have the repairs done in conjunction with uprooting and moving to Florida. But even with our best efforts of managing the repairs, we still found issues that had to be addressed after splashing. We could have had the yard come back and fix the issues we found, but at this point we are done with strangers working on our boat.
Okay, so it's boat work weekend number 3. You would think after 7 months in a boat yard we wouldn't have any boat work, but unfortunately that's not the case. Jared keeps finding things that, they did a good job, but not necessarily how we would have done them. So we're going through fixing all those little things. It's really starting to come together, so I'm getting pretty excited. I think the only things left, we need to get the sails back on and a few things with the engine, and then we'll be able to start taking her out again. So pretty excited about that. Keep watching all the other boats go out, and I'm getting extremely jealous. I'm gonna go hop on one of those, I think. But anyway, stick around and help Jared with all the boat projects. So let's go see what he's doing right now. Jared's fixing the dive platform thing. How's that coming, Ben?
Not.
What do you mean not?
Okay, you get to. Now you point over here. There you go. It's not. I'm fighting with it. It's like anything else on a boat. You fight with it.
Why is the captain not happy?
Because somebody decided to just drill through the damn electrical cables. Look at this. Yep. Whenever they did the work on our boat, they drilled all the fittings out for the tow rail, and somebody was careless enough to just drill straight through the freaking electrical cabinet. We've been using the boat, having all this stuff powered up.
Fire hazard.
Yeah, it's a fire hazard.
You know how much this dinghy has been through?
A lot. This thing weathered that storm.
Yeah.
Weathered the storm, not like.
We just happened to find it
Yeah.
on another dock.
All right.
Leave that there for right now?
Yeah.
We're going to get some fish now? Happy with the dinghy thing?
Yeah. It's here. It's tied up to the boat. It's floating. What more can you ask for? They call your name? Yeah.
It's fresh.
Looks fresh. And then if you want some tuna, you can ask for some tuna.
This is nuts. I've never seen a fish market like this.
What do y'all get? Tuna steak?
Yes,
Tuna
ma'am.
steak, yes, ma'am.
What do y'all get? Sear it on the grill?
Sear, yes, ma'am.
What do you season it with?
Very little. Just a little salt and pepper.
No soy sauce or anything?
No,
A
not
little
not
remoulade
typically.
sauce, but yeah.
I'm going to have to try that. We always get shrimp.
It's pretty good. I would recommend it.
As with all things, we take it one step at a time, and we're pushing through. As Holly said, it's coming together. I do agree with her about being jealous of the other boats, but it won't be long now before we're headed for the horizon.
I just wanna be your morning light, and the sun come up with you by my side. I just wanna be your morning light. The fire burns down and the embers slow, but I never get cold when it's you I hold. When the fire burns down and the embers slow,